So I got a package in the mail today, fragile. I got this because of the 8-Bit Guys video on YouTube. He's got a video, I haven't opened this yet, about the best MS-DOS gaming laptops. And I don't have a knife on hand. And he mentioned that he brought up a good one, the Compaq LTE 5000 series, which was good because of its screen resolution, which means there'd be no upscaling issues, and pretty much just his recommendation of a perfect all-around MS-DOS laptop. And I thought that was kind of neat, and I agreed with it. So I found one on eBay for a buy it now of $20, and another $20 to ship it. I've been keeping my eye out for a while, so yeah, these don't pop up too often. It's usually some guy that wants, $300 for it. So let's see what we got. Hopefully it's not all smashed up here. The Compaq Series 2882 AC adapter, and that puts out 18 volts at 1.9 amps. Compaq Computer Corp. It's got that connector. Boy, really, I mean, that's all they packaged it with. Sellers are getting to be pretty bad lately. Surprised there's any bubble wrap. I mean, come on. This thing isn't broken, I'll be surprised. Blah, blah, blah. I don't even know why people bother with those. Not like, oh, thanks. You care about me. And let's see what we got. So far, so good. Infrared. What is this? Headphones. This is line in. Keyboard or mouse. Lock. Ports. Nice. Serial parallel expansion or port replicator. Docking station. And external VGA. Nice. So you can hook a extra monitor up to this guy. That's pretty neat. Jeez, how do you close this thing now? Is that broken? Is there like a... There we go. Oh, I see. If you want to dock it. Nice. I was wondering how you do that. That's pretty sweet. What do we got on this side? Press down. PCMCIA cards. Is there one in there? Yeah, there is. I think something's in there. PCMCIA Gold Series fax modem with X jack. How do you get that out? It's hard to do holding your camera in one hand. Whatever. Yeah, so that pops out and then you plug your phone cord in there, I'm guessing. Junk. What do we got in the bottom? Nom nom nom. Is this for battery? CMOS battery? Yeah. What's this? Yeah, this didn't. The description said there was no hard drive with it, and there isn't. So I can't really do too much with it without that. Why is this? That's not good. Yikes. I'm scared I'm gonna break it. That's something feels weird there. Floppy drive. I want a CD-ROM for it, but who knows if I'll ever find that. Microphone, fan, lever. Yeah, so far so good. It's not smashed, at least that I can tell. Let's open this lid. There we go. Nice. Beautiful. Meh, it's alright. Keyboard, I guess. So that, this is all crap. That is in good condition as they said. Yuck. Internal mic. Power button. No idea what that is. Any juice? Nope. No juice. Is this the battery? This must be the battery. I'm going to try and plug this thing in. And yeah, the hinge seems to be working alright. Oh yeah, and by the way, how dumb am I? You just do that. So that's how that plugs in. But who uses the modem anymore? Alright, I've got the power plugged in. Whoa. That made a scary noise. Huh? Something's happening. Corrupted hibernation file. Why is it so dim? F10. I pressed F10. What the hell's going on? Power it off. The hell? Doesn't want to power off. Oh, that's what this does. That side button's the battery. That's what this does. This is a release for the floppy then? Is that reset? Is that a soft power button? I don't get it. Okay. Press F10. There we go. Ah, nice. Okay. Pentium 75, BIOS date 5/31/98. 16 megs of memory, nice. 1 megabyte graphics memory, 640 by 480 display. No hard drive, bastards. Multi-bay diskette. That must be this. You can insert a CD-ROM or a floppy. And a battery, I think. Expansion base, none. Press Alt to navigate menus. Okay. Ports, power management. Save and exit. This is 16 megs. Oh, that's all she wrote. Insert boot disk. Why is the light still on? Yep, that I don't have. Oh, sweet. It's working at least. I just need to wait for the hard drive. I might put I got an old SSD. Well, not old, but I have a 2 gigabyte SSD IDE drive I might put in here. It was brand new. So I might throw that in here. I just need the caddy first. So yeah, pretty sweet so far. I gotta get the manual. System shutdown. That's kind of neat. Shut her down. Let's check out the battery quick. Only with Compaq model 2880X. Do not incinerate. So that's why it looked all funny on the front. This cover's bent or something. I wonder if this thing works. We'll find out. Well, let's go through the memory test. Press F10. I noticed something weird. With the PC speaker, seems like the more it goes, the quieter it gets. I'm trying to get it to beep again. Did I turn it off? Function F5. No, it's not doing it. But listen, you can hear that little psh, that when it de-energizes, you can hear it when it powers up too. Hear that crackling? Hope there's not a problem with this sound. Come on, beep. See? Seems better now. Yeah, it's not getting... Like there, you could hear it go quieter. See? Now you can hardly hear it at all. I'll wait till I get an operating system on here. I really don't want the speakers wrecked. Oh well. Well, do more on this thing later when I get a hard drive.